Alright, Nomex flyers are still MIA, but you'll be able to see my hands. So today I've got, like, for example, this video applies to a lot of different models. This is a Jericho 941 from IWI. I believe this is the earliest version. The newer ones have like a weave around the bottom. Anyway, so we're here to talk about the piercing valves on these magazines. Unfortunately, these are extremely difficult to repair on account of the fact that the valves are of a very bizarre size. They're very hard to reach, and as you can see, I cracked the threads. Excuse me. I've been able to get these piercing valves out of the larger units like the Mini Uzi and the SW40F, but these smaller ones are just, I swear to God, they're stuck. I made sure to get the CO2 out, nothing was in there, but these guys are just a fucking nightmare to get out. So this one actually still holds CO2 perfectly, even though the threads are broken. But if you have like a damaged cup seal, the best thing we can do is to band-aid the problem rather than try to fix it directly, and that's unfortunate. So what I mean by that, and this is just such a common fix anyway, I'm sure a lot of you guys who've been trying to fix these know this. This is Blue Monster Teflon tape. Basically all you have to do is just wrap it around the upper portion of the CO2 bulb, and then don't do much, although if you find that you have trouble getting this guy in and keeping it from leaking, just maybe add a little more. I'm probably putting way too goddamn much on. Haven't run into this problem before, but I'm going to go ahead and see if this fixes it. Again, mine still holds CO2 perfectly. It fits in. Now I'm going to screw it in. See? Tighten it a bit further. Okay, no leaks. So that fixed it. So if you have trouble with that, that's a good way to fix it. But other than that, there doesn't appear to be much we can do. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.